Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this exponential equation, and it shows that 3 raised to the power of the square root of x minus x equals 2 raised to the power of 1 minus the square root of x, and we're told to find x. Okay, so how do we go about this? Now since they're having different bases, now let us apply ln to both sides. So here we have ln 3 raised to the power of the square root of x minus x, then equals ln 2 raised to the power of 1 minus the square root of what? X. Okay, and according to the law of logarithm, this exponent here moves down here. So here we have square root of x minus x into ln 3, then equals 1 minus the square root of x into what? ln 2. Alright, so let's do this. Let's bring all the variables to one side, then let's bring ln 3 to the right hand side. So let's divide through first, okay? Let's just divide through by 1 minus the root of x, here the same 1 minus the root of x, so this cancels this, so and we have a root of x minus x ln 3, then all over 1 minus the root of x, then equals ln 2 over, okay, so at this point now let's divide through by ln 3, okay, or let's just multiply both sides by 1 over ln 3, then this will just give us ln 3. This will eliminate this, so we are left with the square root of x minus x all over 1 minus the square root of x, then equals ln 2 over what? ln 3. Alright, now let's work basically on the left hand side of the equation. So what we just need to do here now is to rationalize the left hand side, and by doing that we get to have the root of x minus x, then all over 1 minus the root of x. By rationalizing, it means we are multiplying both the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, and by so doing we have 1 plus the square root of x all over 1 plus the square root of x, then all equals to ln 2 over what? ln 3. Okay, so by multiplying the root of x times 1, we have the root of x. The root of x times the root of x, that will give us x. Then negative x times 1 will give us negative x. And negative x times the root of x will give us it should give us minus x the root of x. Then all over. Now, when a particular term is multiplied by its conjugate, what we need to do is 1 times 1 here, you have 1. The negative root of x times the positive root of x will give us what? Negative x. All equals what? ln 2 all over ln 3. Now this will actually eliminate this. Then we are left with the root of x minus x the root of x all over 1 minus x equals ln 2 over what? ln 3. So from the numerator here, the left hand side, you get to see that we have a common term, which is what? The root of x. Let us factor that out. By factoring it out, here we have the root of x, then into this divided by this will give us, we are left with 1. The whole of this term divided by this, take note, minus, then we are left with what? X. Then all over 1 minus x, then equals ln 2 over what? ln 3. This now can now eliminate this, so we are now left with the root of x, then equals ln 2 over what? ln 3. So raise it to the power of 2, raise it to the power of 2, so that we undo this. So our x now is now ln2 all over ln3, or raised to the power of what? 2. Final answer. Alright, ensure that you share this video with other learners, like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.